Good morning. Today I'm at a new drift track. Just found out about it a few days ago. I'm at Winter's Drift Track in Bryant, Alabama. Didn't even know it was a thing, but apparently it's been open for a few months now. Tiny little, mostly a big figure eight with a little send off around the tree. Obviously never been here. Seems pretty simple enough. Probably low power cars. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple, but should be fun. Should be fun to hot lap. Probably not the best for drones since there's a bunch of power lines, but one of the cool features is this donut around this tree, so just try not to hit the tree. That'd be a bad day. But I'm excited to give it a try. So this was a last minute thing. In my last video, I said the next thing I was gonna do is install my chase-based power steering kit, which I didn't since I ended up getting ready for this event instead. But I will do that after this, before Polecat, even though I'm not taking that call to Polecat.
That was close.
taking a little lunch break. I've done quite a few laps so far. The track's a lot of fun. I'm just trying to experiment and do different things, different routes. It's kind of the cool thing about this track is there's not only one way you can do it. You can kind of mix it up a little bit and kind of weave in or go on a tree either way you want. Just whatever works for you. Also, a pretty nice little pond. Too bad it's too cold to jump in it. There was a few times where I've came awfully close to that tree. I'm like struggling to get that line right, to slide all the way past the tree. I either want to go, either fall short or go towards it. So a lot more practice is needed. I didn't get on camera, but somebody did try to take me out. Somebody hit the hay bales right in front of me. As soon as I turned around to walk away, car plowed through them, like right behind me. I didn't even see it coming.
But did you die?
really did good all day, no issues out of it. The only issues I really have is the damn positive battery terminal just keeps on coming off. Doesn't matter how tight I make it, so I need to figure that out. I did go through one pair of rear tires, which they were already used to begin with, so not too bad. I should probably put spacers if I'm going to use those wheels, because it looks terrible. Look at that fitment. But like I said, the owners of the track were super cool, very nice, you know, very chill, very laid back. So if you're in the area, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia line area, this is another track to add to your track list, your bucket list store. So you can probably make a weekend out of it, go to Winters on one day and Driven Luck on the next day, because it's just right down the road. I don't know why they're right down the road. I didn't ask questions. Don't want to get in people's business, because I absolutely love both tracks. But that is it for this video. Hopefully the next video I will finally install my power steering stuff in this. Then I'm off to Polecat for Chase Base. So come back for those, and I will see you next time. Peace.